Hello everyone, today we will see a recipe of milk palkova or milk halwa, which is a very tasty Indian recipe, and we are going to see the shortcut method to make this palkova. Usually palkova or milk halwa takes lot of time to make it, but today I am going to tell you a very shortcut method which helps you all to make this sweet in 5 to 10 minutes. Here I have taken one full mango and cut it into small pieces. If the mango is ripened well, we can reduce the amount of sugar we use in this sweet. To make this milk halwa or milk kova different, I am going to add mangoes, fresh mangoes. So this is going to be a fresh mango flavored palkova or milk halwa. Here I have blended the mangoes in a blender and I got half a cup of puree. So do not add more than this. If we add then it will taste like mango sweet, not like mango milk halwa or mango palkova. Now I am going to add 3 cups of milk for our milk halwa or mango flavored palkova. So I am adding 3 cups of whole milk here. So you can double the recipe by adding 1 cup of mango puree and 6 cups of milk. Here I have taken 1 spoon of lemon juice. This is freshly squeezed lemon juice. If you are getting store-bought one or stored ones, you need to double the quantity of lemon juice. Let the milk boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Just a boil is enough. Just keep an eye on your milk so that it will not spill. It is my grandma's tip to keep the wooden ladle across the milk pan so that it will hold the milk before spilling it for like few seconds. Our milk is boiled well now, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of lemon juice. So once we add the lemon juice, the milk will get curdled and the whey water will get separated from the milk. This process may look similar to Indian paneer or Indian cottage cheese, but there are few differences. I will tell you where it gets differed. Now our milk is curdled well, so do not get tempted to add more lemon juice. So just add as needed, else it will increase the sourness in our milk sweet. You can see now the water is getting separated from the milk. This is called whey water. This is the right time to remove some whey water from our milk. So usually in a traditional method, we will mix the milk for like half an hour to 1 hour until it shortens to half a quantity, and then we will add sugar or everything whatever we want. But here we are taking the water and filtering it so that we will not lose the milk particles also. As I told earlier, this is the step where paneer making and our palkova making is different. So for making paneer, we will filter or squeeze out all the water from the milk. But for this sweet milk halwa or palkova, we need some moisture in our sweet. So I'm going to keep half of the whey water. We will save the filtered kova. Later we will add it after removing all the excess whey water. Now we removed all the excess water. So I am going to add the filtered kova into our milk and mix everything together so that everything comes together and the whey water goes by evaporating. This water should go on its own, so then only we'll get the moisture in our sweet, else our sweet will become dry. See, our water is getting reduced after 2 to 3 minutes. It will automatically reduce once we mix it. Now the remaining water is absorbed naturally and the milk mixture is having some moisture too. This is the kova we need for our sweet. Now I am going to add our mango puree or mango pulp. This will give a nice yellow color and mango flavor to our palkova. You can have it plain also. If you do not have mangoes in your hand, you can just skip this step and have it as a white milk sweet so that you can add sugar directly without adding mangoes. So that will also taste very nice. And now I'm going to add quarter cup of sugar. So not more than that, just quarter cup of sugar for 3 cups of milk. After adding sugar, mix everything together. Once you add the sugar, you can see the milk mixture is getting loosened in a shape. So we need to wait and mix together until it combines well. So that is the final stage of our milk kova or milk halwa. Now it's time to add cardamom powder or elaichi powder. I'm adding a quarter teaspoon of it. Now I have taken 1 tablespoon of ghee. You can add clarified butter too if you do not have ghee. And I'm going to add it into our mixture and going to give a nice mix of it along with the mixture. Now our tasty palkova or mango flavored milk halwa is ready to serve, which is done in 5 to 10 minutes compared to the traditional method of 1 hour. Please do try this recipe and let me know your comments and stay connected for future videos. Thank you.